If you ever find yourself losing some of your prompts or not having them available when you're working in AI, stick around till the end of this video because I want to show you something that I just created. It's a free tool. It's called Right Click Prompt, and it'll save you a lot of time and effort when it comes to working with your AI partners and basically speeding up your workflows and making things just way, way simpler. So I want to ask you a question first off. How do you store your prompts? So when I come up with something like ChatGPT and I want to have it do something specific, I had them mostly stored in sticky notes. Okay, so something like this. This is what it looked like for me. So we have, for example, if I wanted to create a YouTube video out of a certain topic, I would take this one. Okay, I would select it, copy, go back here, and then paste. And this is what it looks like, right? So this is a specific framework, hook, intro, value, end screen, and all that type of jazz, right? And it's a pretty lengthy prompt, so already it's a little bit better than just writing out prompts from scratch every time. However, I have way more prompts than just those here, and I need them accessible at all times. And also you can see that it's kind of hard to keep track of which prompt is doing what. Okay, so that was my problem. Now, the solution, like I said before, is right-click prompt, because what does it do? It allows you as a browser extension to be installed, okay? And then you got this one here. And basically what it does is it allows you to create folders with prompts, okay? This is a folder. And then within those folders, you can have prompts, okay? And then when you have them, the cool thing is now, let's say you go to ChatGPT, you click, right-click, and then you select the folder and the prompt that you have, and it copies it to the clipboard, and you can paste it right there. And that makes your life much easier, not just because it's faster. You can actually even speed it up with the auto paste function. So let's do the same thing again. We'll just go here and boom, and immediately paste it without having to copy it to the clipboard. But it's not only faster, it's actually also helping you organize your prompts, okay? And I'll show you in a second how to make this even better. So for example, if you remember the YouTube prompt that we had here, right? So right now we don't have a folder for that. We could create a new one, which, you know, I'll just put a play button. As I like to use those little emoji first up for easier recognition. You don't have to do that. And then YT for YouTube. Okay, that's the folder. And then obviously it's 0 because it's empty right now. We'll click on add, and this is how we add a prompt title. So let's say, what did we have here? So this is the Hive framework. Okay, so let's just use this as the title. Okay, and then basically I'll copy the whole thing and add it right here. Okay. And then I'll just add something here, like please create a video outline based on the, and then we go, okay? And then we save it, okay? You can see it's saved here. You can read it again if you want. You can edit it with the modify button. You can copy it from here if you like. But the real magic is when you come out here, and let's say I have this. Okay, so this is some research that I've done on local governments and how they can implement AI and how to teach them, right? So let's say at the end of it, I just want to say, okay, turn this into YouTube. Here we have the folder and the Hive framework, and it'll paste it right here. Okay, we didn't have the auto. Do we have the auto? Okay, yeah. And all you have to do is press click, and it should get to work. You get the idea, right? So the way this works is super flawless. Obviously, this takes a little bit of time with the O1 Pro reasoning model, but that's not the point. The output is not the point. The point is to really hone in your workflows and make them faster, make them more efficient. Now, there's a little bit of an extra here because I'm constantly evolving this, and as soon as you download this, I would love for you to share it and play around with it. Give me some feedback. Okay, we got 117 users right now. Woohoo! By the way, I vibe coded this whole thing, so I don't even know what I was doing in the beginning. Now I know a little bit. However, here's the thing. Okay, I'm constantly working on updates for this. Why is this not updating? Okay, let me see here. There you go. So this is the developer log. Basically, this is how it started. Okay, kind of janky. I actually nuked my entire source code base for this one. So I had to rebuild it. I think it came out better. This is kind of where we're at right now. But let me show you something that I'm working on that I'm really excited about, okay? So we'll go here to the, let me just enable a new version that I'm already working on, okay? You can see it's here, it just popped up. So this is the new one. And if you see this one again, this is the current version. And then in the new one, I'm adding in a couple of features that I think are really interesting as well. Besides the already established structure that we have here, we also have a imported prompts feature. And for my subscribers on my Substack, I will periodically update prompts that you can directly import to that. So you can basically, let's just delete them here. Okay, just to kind of see how that works. You can import, and then you go here. I prepared these, and then as soon as you download the package and you open that, boom, you see the imported prompts right here. Obviously, you can modify them all if you like. And additionally, you can also export your prompt structure and then import it. This basically just means that you save your prompts, because before that it was stored in the browser storage, and if you, for some reason, you would have uninstalled it, you would have lost your entire prompt structure. Okay, so this is the version that I'm pushing to the Chrome store right now. If you install the current version, this will update automatically when it's out there. So head on over to, you know, the Chrome web store and search for RCP, right click prompt. Let me see actually if it shows up. I know it takes a little bit of while to CP. RCP by itself. Yeah, there you go. This is it. Check it out. Let me know what you think. I really want this thing to go viral because I think it's super useful. And again, once this version hits, it will update your version automatically, and you will be able to export your prompts, import your prompt structures, and I'll get you some really nice prompts over time through my newsletter. Some of them will be free, some of them will be premium, but I'll make it worth your time. So if you ever need to connect with me, you can always click here, and then you get to my LinkedIn profile. And then, you know, if you want to share it, you can just click this button and it will paste it automatically. Oh, and here, as before, right, you have the white and the black theme. So check that out. Let me know what you prefer. With that being said, I'm excited. I hope you're pumped as well, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.